friends! Welcome to Fun with Shaney. Today, we are going to learn about the letter G. We're going to learn about the big G, or the capital G, and the little g, or the lowercase g. Do you know the sound that the letter G makes? No? That's okay. I will tell you. The letter G says g, 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 g. Can you think of any words that begin with the letter G? Oh, I know. Gift. Gift begins with the letter G. G, 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 gift. Oh, an animal that I think is so funny. A goat. Goat begins with the letter G. G, 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 goat. Can I think of one more? Oh, of course. Game. G, 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 game. We love to play games. Sometimes when I'm trying to learn the different letters of the alphabet, I like to sing a song. Do you want to sing a song with me? You do? Great! Let's do it!
In the land of letter G, our adventure has begun. We'll learn the letter G while we have a lot of fun. The sound that G makes, it's really quite neat. Let's sing about the words with G that we meet. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. Great garden growing with colors so bright. Goodness me, what a gorgeous sight. Gummy bears and grapes to chew. Glorious G, there's so much to do. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. Gumballs, glitter, and golden sun. Games and giggles, so much fun. Gathering goodies, guess what kinds? Leave them for your friends to find. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. G, 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 that's the sound that G makes. We hear it in words that we use every day. A gust of wind making leaves gently sway. Giggling with friends brightens our day. Gooey, gloopy, goopy, glue. Making crafts is fun to do. In the land of letter G, our journey now ends. Come back for more adventures with Shaney again. Shaney again. Shaney again.